Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, with me Mirza Amira binti Mohammed, will present to you about life cycle assessment of car batteries. Before we start, let me introduce about life cycle assessment first. So, what is life cycle assessment? Life cycle assessment is the systematic analysis technique to assess environmental impact associated with all stages of product life, which is from raw material extraction through material processing, manufacture, distribution, and use. So, did you know there are two types of battery in the market, namely wet cell and dry cell? Wet cell battery get power from liquid electrolyte, while dry cell batteries generate power from moist space. This is wet cell batteries. Wet cell batteries have a pool of liquid electrolytes. They generate gases, meaning they require venting and must be kept upright to avoid leakage. So, wet cell battery require regular maintenance to function properly. This maintenance includes periodic top-up of the electrolyte, check for leaks, PM frequency, and keep cables clean and dry. Many people use wet cell batteries because they are more affordable. However, it is important to monitor the electrolyte fluid level to ensure that there is always enough to supply energy. The second type of car battery is dry cell batteries. Dry cell batteries use base electrolytes, which contain enough liquid for good electrical conductivity, but are stable enough not to leak when turned upside down. As one of the most durable battery options available, maintaining dry cell battery is relatively easy and can be accomplished with a few simple if frequent steps, such as keep the battery clean, keep battery temperature stable, do not short-circuit batteries. Most vehicles manufacturers use dry cell battery because they are more environmentally friendly. Did you know batteries from cars should not be thrown away? This is due to the fact that car battery cannot just be thrown away because they all contain dangerous chemicals. All car batteries must be taken to a recycling organization, or if they are damaged, a car repair shop will dispose of them. Why you can just throw it in the trash? Firstly, car battery use lead and acid to retain a long-lasting and reliable charger. Both of these materials can pose a serious risk to the environment and your health. A sealed battery is safe to handle, but improperly disposing of a battery is dangerous. A battery left to sit in a junk pile or a landfill where the lead and sulfuric acid can be a major environmental issue. It is an explosive material, and if it explodes, it will affect the environment and human health. This is between a small shop or companies that sells and buy new and used car batteries. Life cycle assessment of car battery. This is the interior of car battery. Car battery recycling is a curricular process that helps reduce the environmental impact of the automobile industry. The process involves several steps, including collection, sorting, draining, crushing, smelting, purification, and recycling. Step 1. Collection. Used car batteries are collected from scrapyards, dealerships, and other sources and transported to recycling facilities. Step 2. Sorting. The batteries are sorted based on their chemistry, with lead-acid batteries being the most common type of car batteries. Step 3. Draining. The battery is drained of any remaining electrolyte
which is usually an acidic solution of sulfuric acid. Step 4. Crushing. The batteries are then crushed into a small piece which break up the battery's inner components, including the lead plates and plastic casing. The next step is step 5. Separation. The pieces are then placed in a vat of water and agitated, causing the lead and plastic pieces to separate. The lead is heavier and sinks to the bottom, while the plastic floats to the top. Step 6. Filtering. The lead and plastic piece are then filtered and any impurities are removed. The next step is step 7. Smelting. The lead pieces are melted in a furnace and cast into ingots or other shape for use. The plastic pieces are also recycled into the new product. And the last step is recycling. Recycling lead and plastic are then used to manufacture new batteries and other products such as pipes, roofing materials, and more. 99% of battery is recyclable. Automotive batteries are made of 80% recycled materials, including leads and plastic from used batteries. So, as a conclusion, the car battery recycling process is essential for preventing lead pollution and reducing the environmental impact of the automobile industry. By recycling used batteries, the amount of waste sent off landfills is reduced, and the environmental damage caused by the mining and production of new material is minimized. It is also economically viable process as the recyclable materials can be used to manufacture new products, reducing the need for new raw materials. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.